Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson, General Manager and Chief Technology Officer here at Onanon in Milpitas, California. I'm here with another Did You Know Onanon. Today we're going to talk about Onanon Smart Connect, our ability to robotically, with precision, place contacts directly into a printed circuit board. Here we have an example of a medical device that requires a contact to be inserted into a printed circuit board. Here's a printed circuit board assembly for a disposable medical device. And you can see all these contacts that have been robotically installed are perfectly coplanar to one another. Our competitor would typically take a contact like this, load it by hand, and then solder it into place. The problem with that is the coplanarity fluctuates from contact to contact, resulting in very poor yields, where Onanon, leveraging automation, can very precisely and inexpensively mass produce contacts like this. So if you're designing a medical device, whether you need 10 or 10 million, Onanon has the capability to produce your products. So here you can better see that this assembly, once broken out into individual pieces, is going into a very critical holder, and the placement of each one of these contacts needs to precisely be in the right location. And if it's not, well, then you have intermittencies and failures potentially in the field, and that is not a good day. So whether you need 10 or 10 million assemblies, Onanon has the right solution for your application. Please visit onanon.com to learn more or to schedule an appointment with one of our engineers who are happy to help you with your Smart Connect application. Thank you for allowing me to share another Did You Know Onanon.